Alright, YouTube land. So, we're back with Navajo. Now, I'm still waiting for a replacement interior, but I got something nice to go with the new interior, new flooring. These are, yeah, ignore the rips in that one. That's being replaced regardless. These are out of a 06 Z71. Again, heated leather. So I'm really happy with that one. Couldn't get the third row yet, but this will match the interior a lot better than my current setup. Huh. Don't mind me. They're all electric, heated. That'll be nice to work with the new buttons. Again, I'm still debating if I'm going to replace this particular piece right here. However, I did also get a nice brand new control for the heated seats. But also, which I don't think I've shown yet, this is the old seat here I had to move around the car. But yeah, that's my new middle island because these are captain seats. The Z71 had that little island built into it, so I never liked it. I like having the seat there. I like having the cup holder there. So this came out of a 2011, which I will show a picture here. And yeah, this is a nice little upgrade here. Move the seat out of the way before I damage it. Again, these are all electric. Now, this one's really nice. I said I just cleaned out the entire cup holder area here. I have to replace this guy, unfortunately, because the controls are broken there, and it just makes more sense. Now, also, which I like, we got more storage. I'm gonna have to make another power pigtail, just because I have to set this thing up, because not only do I have it there, so I have let's see, there's another plug inside the cup holder area here. So again, this would be a really good upgrade. I'm replacing the dash to match the doors. That's coming later on. I just haven't gotten around to it. My old seats are gonna be for sale soon, so actually they already are for sale. No bids yet. No one's want to take on the project, but it'll come eventually. I'm gonna be starting to put down the what you call it, the sound deadening, because it's time. Man, I realized how dirty that was. Oof. But yeah, this car's gonna be getting its all upgrade soon. Wrapping it up. Everyone loves this little girl here. I am debating on putting the USB ports there. That's the charging ports. Just because I'm not gonna need all these secret layer ports. Just like one more should be good. Maybe that one should be good. Oh, also these ones have the airbags, which is good safety to have. I have scrubbed the shit out of these guys already. You can see that it's still a little dirty in the video, but it's come a long way. Let's see. Right now, though, I'm gonna start putting these back inside the car. Oh yeah, the 2011s. Let me show you how I set up. Basically just slapped in there right now, but the mounting brackets are just about the same. I had to stretch it a little bit. I'm good with that. It's a mess in here right now because of all this stuff. I just lackadaisical threw it in here. Has to be done. Need to have space. Again, you guys can do this too. It's basically the exact same ports. There's no difference between these. Put this in the toolkit there with all this. But it's coming all along pretty good so far. Still need to get the back ones, the back molding for the match. The middle one I have, as you can see from the armrest there. But yeah, I just figured I'd do a quick update, show off everything. I may or may not just slap them in just as a temporary means until the new flooring comes in. Navajo here has been through a lot. Might be time for some new headlights. Even starting to get the spider cracks in them. Heck, they're 3 years old now, so it's about time. I ended up on. Oh yeah, oof. I gotta fix that too. I ended up on doing a full respray Bermuda blue. Oh, I put the window visors on here. A little bit extra. Looks pretty good. And allows me to have the window partially open without having rain in there, which is nice when I'm taking a nap on duty days. Piss off, mosquito. Killed it. Right now, I might just put her inside the bay here since I'm not actively using her. I do have to find my air compressor, unfortunately, which I think my neighbors currently have. That tire is flat. It's a little wreck over here. The old carpet's just shoved in here right now. I'm not getting rid of it until I have the proper stuff. I'm also going to be getting rid of all my old radios there, because their time has come. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at. Oh yeah, I also have an ozone machine. I tried that out recently. Let me hop into the Buick for a second. See how it smells in here. Better smelling, but still, old man smell. But yeah, that's where we're at now. Well, yeah, my running cooler I have for when I'm doing Uber runs. It's nice. Yeah, that's kind of all where we're at right now. Put those inside the car shortly. Might or might not bolt them in. Still debating. The bird really shit on this thing while I was gone. Ugh. Oh, I'll get the leather wipes. But anyway, have a good one. Have a wonderful day. I'm gonna get back to work. So, unexpected update. Decided to throw all the seats in and see how they looked. And god damn. I am very happy. Although that color's a little bit off, I can live with that. Got the 2011 fucking center console, 2006 seats. This is getting replaced, don't worry. I would not replace something inferior altogether. I will have the seats redone. I'm about to ozone the car because these have all come from a wreck. I don't know its history. I don't know what happened with it. So I'm gonna ozone the shit out of this car. Oh, that speaker fell out. Shit. That won't stay put. But yeah, I'm about to ozone it, clear off any bacteria that's in here. Anything that's living in these seats is dead. I gotta replace this molding apparently. But she's coming around. She's about to go into that carport because it's time to play musical cars. That's not from her, that's from the Buick. All the way back there behind the middle car. Behind the pickup truck. Yeah. So far it's all working together. I do have to get the harness from the wreck I pulled from. Because, yeah, that was missing some plugs there. So I gotta grab the harness, reset it, and that should be fine. I'll verify everything again. But yeah, so far so good. Alright, I'm gonna go and pack her on in. Oh yeah, let's also put down the rest of the sound deadening. Damn bugs are eating me alive right now. But anywho, this will be the end for today. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.